Believe this. There's a party going on in my room. This is what I found when I got home. Now watch me try and get rid of them. That's going to be another story completely. Hey guys, what's going on? Hey, easy. It's okay. Come on. I can't believe you guys. Stop! Oh, no, get rid of a lot of it. Alright, who's ready to leave? Okay, come on. Hey, over here. Come on, go over there. Come on. No. As you're playing in circles. Here, going out the window. Going out the window. Going out the window. This is going to take forever. Come on. Come on. Maybe you can do that. That's an idea. Come on. You pooped all over the place, didn't you? You pooped on my bed. Which one of you did that? And you pooped on my bathroom? Come on. Come on, you two. You've got a perfectly good open window. How am I going to get these birds out of here? They don't want to go. Come on. You got a perfectly good open window here. Make it bigger. Okay, come on. Everybody out. Come on, everybody out. Everybody out. You can't stay here. Go on. Come on, out you go, out you go, out you go, come on. You know, if I can't catch one bird, I'm definitely not going to be able to catch these four. Hey guys. All your friends are outside. Oy.